Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create multiple text box on your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and go this tools option. Now scroll down, here you will find this comment option, select, and this is text box icon, click here and draw a text box, drag your mouse and click this text box, select and click right button for properties. Here you can change text box border style, you can change border color also and thickness, you can change text box transparency, and this is fill color, you can choose fill color and choose this fill color. Also you can add custom fill color if you want. Now select OK and double click on this text box, you can type text on this text box and new text, and similarly click this text box and draw a text box and do this same way. Also you can select this text box and press Ctrl C, copy, and press Ctrl V on your keyboard and make multiple text box in this way. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.